the locusts being insects, at night they are paralyzed. They don't fly. They don't fly when it is cold. They stay in one place until 10 in the morning. That when it becomes warm, that's when they start flying. This one we discovered when we were involved. Now, that little aircraft of yours doesn't fly at night. We should have a stronger aircraft, maybe with night vision, able to spray at night. The concept of IGAD Plus, they may not be members of IGAD, but for the purpose of Locust, you can go and mention it to Her Excellency Samia.
The organization supports member countries in the control and containment of the desert locust, mainly. Then, the organization helps in the control and containment of other migratory pests and vectors, particularly three: the African armyworm, the Kelea bird, and the tsetse fly.